Welcome! I'm excited to share with you what's new in AutoCAD 2023. AutoCAD 2023 includes several new features that help customers with the changing nature of their work by improving their user experience in addition to collaboration and automation processes. Before we get started, just a note that the contents of this presentation are confidential and should not be shared outside of your organization. The new features and improvements shared should not be communicated to customers before March 29, 2022 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Please double check what date and time this corresponds to in your local time zone. We will not be releasing any information to customers until this exact time, so it's imperative that this information remains confidential until after Autodesk's announcement. In this presentation, we'll go over some of the new innovative features in AutoCAD 2023, as well as some of the helpful tools that you get with AutoCAD and why it's trusted by millions of users across the world. Today I'm going to cover three key components of what's new in AutoCAD 2023. First, I will share how you can work faster with new CAD automations and how the specialized toolsets can speed up your work with pre-built parts and symbols and additional automations for industry-specific tasks. Second, I will discuss the AutoCAD web and mobile apps that give freedom and flexibility to connect to your DWG files anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Third, I'll dive into some of the newest features of AutoCAD 2023 that will help you work more efficiently and complete your projects faster. Let's look at the benefits you can see using the included toolsets. Each subscription of AutoCAD includes the 7 industry-specific toolsets. Did you know that users are able to complete their tasks on average 63% faster using a specialized toolset? Customers have been able to save hundreds of hours in their processes across these 7 industries with the toolsets. AEC customers can benefit from the toolsets in many ways by automating floor plans, sections, elevations, and wiring diagrams for associated electrical controls, using real-time error checking of connections and wiring diagrams, creating and detailing concepts, linking database data for maps to blocks and DWGs, and many other built-in automations and industry-specific workflows. Design and manufacturing customers can utilize the libraries of symbols and parts for mechanical, electrical, piping, HVAC systems, automating alignment and connections of parts, automating the creation of bills of materials with customized columns, filters, data importing and exporting, and much more. AutoCAD and AutoCAD LT subscriptions include the AutoCAD web and mobile apps, which provide quick and easy access to CAD drawings on any device. Our apps make it possible to continue to design and draft with the most up-to-date files while in the field, at home, and on the go. Let's take a closer look. Whether you use AutoCAD for Windows, Mac, web, or a mobile device, be it an iPad, iPhone, or Android device, we have the right AutoCAD for you. You can enjoy a cohesive experience across various devices and connect to your DWG files wherever you go. Additionally, you can view and edit your drawings with Autodesk Cloud and with leading cloud storage providers. Only AutoCAD gives you the ability to open drawings from cloud providers directly into the AutoCAD web app. Now, let's take a look at some of the new features in AutoCAD 2023. One of our most exciting new features is My Insights. As you are working, you can see the pop-up that will provide helpful insights to recommend features that can help you complete the steps you are working on faster by automating some of the repetitive processes or suggesting something new that you may not have tried. The pop-up will provide the right information to you at the right time and context. Another exciting feature for AutoCAD 2023 is Markup Import and Markup Assist. After the release of Trace last year, Markup Import and Markup Assist helps you send and implement comments and feedback from colleagues faster than ever before. You can import PDFs with comments directly into the AutoCAD desktop program, or take a picture of a printed drawing using the AutoCAD mobile app and import it into your drawing. From there, AutoCAD will add the feedback as a new trace layer on your drawing, and with text recognition, you can import the text or objects into your drawing with just a few clicks. The Lisp API is now available in the AutoCAD web app. Whether you're on the go, at a job site, or anywhere you decide to work, you can automate sequences of steps with Lisp in the AutoCAD web app. Load or manage Lisp files and type in Lisp commands just as you would with AutoCAD on your desktop to save time and complete your designs faster. This feature is exclusive to AutoCAD subscribers. We've also added several upgrades to some of our existing features like Trace, Share, Floating Windows, and the Sheetset Manager. In the Floating Windows feature we released last year, you can now see the command line in your active window to make it easier to see which drawing you are working on, and you can make your windows the same size every time to more easily organize them on your screen. In Count, you can automate the counting of blocks or objects within a selected area or throughout your entire drawing with a menu to identify errors and navigate through your counted objects. The Sheet Set Manager now allows you to open sheet sets quicker than before. Using the Autodesk Cloud Platform, sending and opening sheet sets to and from teammates is quicker and safer. With all these updates, AutoCAD 2023 is taking feedback from customers and making it easier for you to work more efficiently. On OTS, you can find the new customer brochure, customer presentation, cheat sheet, partner marketing assets, this Brainshark presentation, and much more. In creating these assets this year, we surveyed a number of sales reps to understand which assets we should focus on and that are most valuable to share with customers. With AutoCAD LT 2023, you get many of the same innovative features as AutoCAD, such as the popular floating windows feature, trace, count, and best-in-class 2D drafting software for precision and speed. You also get the web and mobile apps, so you can take the power of AutoCAD with you and design wherever you go. And for AutoCAD LT, we have sales assets specifically for AutoCAD LT, including a customer brochure, a comparison of the last few releases, and an AutoCAD versus AutoCAD LT comparison. All of these are also available by accessing OTS. Having a subscription to AutoCAD 2023 has many benefits for customers. Access support specialists, the latest updates, flexible term lengths, and administrative tools to easily manage your licenses, seats, and usage. Overall, there are a lot of exciting outcomes that you can share with your customers and prospects as a result of all the new features and integrations with AutoCAD 2023. As a reminder, please do not share information on AutoCAD 2023 before March 29, 2022 at 9 a.m. Pacific Time when the release goes live. Thank you.